Hey y'all, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rochelle, and if this is your first time watching one of my videos, I talk about planning, fragrance, body care, and budgeting, and pretty much anything else that I want to talk about. And if any of that seems like something you may be interested in, then go ahead and click on that subscribe button. But don't stop there. Make sure that you turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss whenever I do upload a new video. If you enjoy my content, of course. If you are already a subscriber, thank you. You are greatly appreciated. So y'all, let's go ahead, get right into this video. Okay, y'all, you already see that this is going to be a, well, I was going to say a no-teak unboxing, but I have already thrown away put in the recycling, the box that this was delivered in, and I just have the tissue paper that is wrapped in. But y'all, this is my order from No Teak, and I placed the order, I want to say on sometime last week. Maybe it was Friday, Thursday, Friday, one day, and today is Wednesday that I'm filming this, and it's already delivered. So it was very quick shipping. And let me just say this, if you are not aware, I am now an affiliate for No Teak. I am so excited to be an affiliate for No Teak. At Go Wild, I met BJ. She's so elegant and classy, just down to earth. I mean, she is just everything, okay? And I'm excited to be an affiliate for No Teak because this is a brand that I have shopped with since, I want to say, like 2020 or 2021. I love the products. They are great quality. And I just love everything that No Teak stands for. So my affiliate link will be included in the description box of this video. If you do decide to shop with No Teak, I would highly appreciate, or greatly appreciate, if you consider using my affiliate link. It is at no cost to you. By using my affiliate link, it just goes to help me as a content creator, and I will get a little bit of money back from you using my affiliate link. So y'all, you want to see what's in the package. I love how this looks. This kind of reminds me, this kind of looks like Fendi wrapping here. But y'all, here's what I got. Let me take this out of the bag, or out of the bag, out of the tissue paper. And we're gonna go through this together. Now, it's not a lot, but it's what, do I need it? I was gonna say it's what I need. I was gonna say, do I need it or did I want it? Kind of a little bit of both. Okay, so all of No Teak's packaging comes in dust bags, okay? So I'm gonna open this up. And it's such great quality. I keep saying that it's such great quality. But y'all, so this is a pen / pencil case, and you see how it has the black, I don't know if you can see that. It has the black No Teak logo, is what I'm trying to say. And it's in the croc. Is it Croco or Croc? It's the Croc style. Has this on the inside, so that way it will keep the shape. And y'all, here's what the inside looks like. It's just black on black. I love this. It's so sleek. And y'all, that was Ryder. He just left out of here, jumped down, and he's gone now. But y'all, isn't this so pretty? I love this. It's gonna match so well with my next product. But yeah, but this is the Croco style of my pen / pencil case. And you could even use this. You don't have to use it as a pen or a pencil case. If you have like makeup, you could use this. Lipsticks, mascaras, eyeliner, whatever you want to put in here, you could use this. But this is just what it was marketed for. was the pen or pencil case, but you can use this however you want to use this. But I probably will be using it as a pen / pencil case. And so here's my next item. Y'all, I've already opened them up and looked at them, so yeah. Okay, y'all, so here is my croc style planner cover. And here it comes like this. So again, you have the padding on the inside so that it will keep its shape. Oh, y'all, and this smells like leather. Is this 100%? Is this leather or is this vegan leather? It smells like leather. I'll have to look it up. I'll have to look it up and put it somewhere here on the screen if it is vegan or real leather. I'm not sure, just right off the top of my head. But y'all, this has you have a secretarial flap. You got 1, 2, 3 card slots here. And it comes with this, oh, it's vegan leather. It's vegan leather. And a vegan lining and dust bag. And this was made in China. Okay, so it says your Nautique goods are thoughtfully designed, constructed, and handmade with luxe materials of fine quality. Any imperfections or irregularities are a result of natural handling conditions. To extend the life of your lovely item, please clean gently with a soft, non-abrasive cloth. We suggest a plant-based, alcohol-free wipe, and we recommend a delicate treatment and care against color transfers from other items. So yeah, this is vegan leather. Okay, it smells like leather though. So again, you have here the front pocket here. You have a side pocket here or back pocket here, and you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 card slots, and then you have another one here at the bottom, and then you have the inner pen loop as well. But y'all, and then you've got the closure here, and it's this, you know, black on black closure. And this is what the back looks like. And this is gonna fit my mini happy planner. So here's my mini. This is my mini on the go planner. And so right now this is, I have on here my Jane's Agenda front and back cover. But when I do set this up, so make sure that you have your notification bell turned on, because I will be setting up this planner here, because I have some new items coming, so be on the lookout for that video. But yeah, and I'll be taking this cover off and putting it, housing my on the go planner in this planner cover here. So yeah, I wanted to, let me put this back in here. So once I get everything in that I need to set up this planner, I was hoping I would have it by the time my Nautique order arrived, but I didn't. So yeah, but I'm going to be setting this up, revamping this, setting this up for the second half of the year. What is this, May? So yeah, 7 more months. What is that right? 7 months? 5? Yeah, 7 more months. So anyway, yeah, second half of the year, a little bit more. But I'm going to be setting this up, and then you know, making my planner here all pretty and everything with all of my accessories. So like I said, be on the lookout or stay tuned for that video. I just wanted to come on here and make this quick video to share with y'all my new items that I purchased from Nautique. And I did purchase this with my own money. This was not gifted to me. I purchased it myself. So y'all, again, I am an affiliate with Nautique, and my affiliate link will be in the description box below, as it is in all of my videos. So there is not a discount code, it's just my affiliate link. And by you using my affiliate link, it goes to, it will support me. Just in essence, it will support me. And I do earn a small commission if any of you guys use my affiliate link. Okay, it is at no cost to you. So y'all, that is it. I hope you all enjoyed this quick haul of what I purchased from Notique. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to follow me over on Instagram. So much for watching. Bye guys.